What is deep learning? Deep learning refers to the data that is used to teach machines. It is a subfield of machine learning and AI. Deep learning is derived from the concept that how human brain works on the fed data. How deep learning works. Deep learning works in almost the same way as a child tends to learn. He uses information obtained from his parents, siblings, and relatives. Similarly, deep learning algorithms use data fed by programmers to learn different algorithms. Methods used for deep learning. Deep learning models can be created using these techniques. Number 1. Rate decay. In this method, learning processes are prioritized under certain conditions. It is used to reduce the time of learning and increase the performance of the model. Number 2. Transfer learning. This process is used on already trained models to learn new things. In this method, less amount of data is required for learning. As a result, computational time has been reduced to hours or even minutes. Number 3. Training from scratch. In this method, large amounts of data are required. This method is used for new models and models with large number of output categories. Number 4. Dropouts. This term refers to the dropping of units during learning processes to solve the problem of overfitting in networks with the large amount of parameters. Thanks for watching. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.